continuing the conversation on Veteran Stand Up with Joe Steele, the Senior Director of Communication and Legislative Affairs at Lyft. Well, Joe, the last time we talked, you talked about Guard and Reserve, members of the Guard and Reserve, and they tend to be not left out, but deprioritize these conversation about transitioning in jobs and what's Lyft have for them?
Yeah, thank you for bringing them up again. You know, they may be a little bit of a forgotten part of our military community, but they are an important part of our military community. And Operation Next is a program that provides training opportunities not just to active duty soldiers before they separate from their service, but also to the National Guard members and reserve members, and more importantly, their families. So Guard and Reserve members are members of our communities. They're your neighbors. They're your friends. They're living in their communities, but they may be underemployed. Their spouse may be unemployed or underemployed. And Operation Next provides them an opportunity to earn a credential in an in-demand advanced manufacturing job that's available right now, today, most likely in their community already.
And tell me the process again about how to get the certificate, right? I do some training.
Sure. Yeah. Visit our website at opnextjobs.com. Fill out a form and enroll and tell us where you are in the country and which location Operation Next will provide you the best service. And then pick out one of the 4 majors that we offer: welding, CNC machining, industrial technology maintenance, or robotics. Those first 3, as I mentioned previously, are the most in-demand careers that are available in advanced manufacturing, and robotics is the fastest growing. And you can start off with a career in $22, $25 an hour. With a couple of years of experience, you move up to $30, $40 an hour range. So there's opportunities for growth here in advanced manufacturing, and these jobs are available most likely, as I mentioned, in those communities already, because we know advanced manufacturing is critical to our national economy all over the nation, and also our national security, which is why, as the Department of Defense National Manufacturing Innovation Institute, we are helping to try to drive folks into advanced manufacturing careers.
Now, I know you mentioned underemployment for the service member or Guard or Reserve, and military spouse unemployment. Those are 2 big issues. But of course, it depends upon getting a job. So I got the certificate.
Right.
How do these cool companies find me so I get the great job, the great paying jobs you described?
I mean, the great news about Operation Next is we work with nationally recognized certifying bodies in their curriculum, right? So the American Welding Society, National Institute of Metalworking Skills. So these are credentials that industry recognizes as understanding that the carrier, the holder of these credentials, knows how to do the job they're going to be required to do. And we've seen tremendous success with this program. Our pilot at Fort Campbell in Kentucky saw a 90+% success rate of people getting jobs in industry immediately. There were some people who decided to continue their education, or some folks who frankly decided to take some time off after serving their time in the military. But most people immediately found a job at some large manufacturers around the nation. So the success rate is very high, and we will work with you to help point you in the right direction to make sure that you land that next career.
And just to make sure I understand it, a skill that's in demand, that pays well, and quite frankly is connected to national security. Do I have, and it costs nothing to get this training?
That's 100% right. You nailed it right there. You could be the spokesperson next time.
Oh, great. Well, I'm sure folks are asking, how do I learn more? How do I apply? Tell us the website again, please.
Again, you can learn more by logging on to opnextjobs.com. That's OPNEXT jobs.com. You can see all the locations around the country where the program is available, and if it's not available near you, keep checking back, as we are rolling this program out around the country and looking forward to providing as many opportunities to as many people as we can.